Hi everyone. I wanted to show you three simple ways that Cardboard can help you streamline all your software subscriptions and automate accounting in 2025. So, as you can see in the dashboard, I've set up a couple of teams. You can set these teams up the way you want for your company so that you can see how the costs are trending across teams over time. You can then go in the teams and see what tools are they exactly spending on, and you can go within that tool and see how much you have spent historically on that tool, who's the subscription owner, and of course what team it is a part of. Now all this information of spends is powered by our virtual cards, so this is real time information. And the way we do the virtual cards is we issue the virtual cards to the company and not the individual. That means the company has control over the cards, and it also makes employee onboarding and offboarding really easy. The second benefit of the virtual cards is because each card is tagged to that subscription, you can suspend or close a card without impacting the rest of your tech stack. So that's the main reason we've designed it in a way that you have control over what you're paying for and how you're paying for it. The third thing that we do is the accounting automation. So we are able to automatically collect receipts for a large number of subscriptions in our catalog. Today, the process is you're typically following up with, you or your accountant is following up with who has the receipts. And then once they get the receipts, someone is manually reconciling it in the accounting software. So we automate that entire process very easily with Cardboard. So all you have to do as a business owner or the team owner is come here, see, just check everything is fine, and export it to your accounting software. So that's a really quick three-way process how we help your company streamline software subscriptions and automate accounting. Now, like I showed you, you can use it for software subscriptions, but also ad spends through the same platform, as well as cloud spends. So the biggest part of your online spends can be centrally managed through Cardboard in a very easy way so that you can focus on your business instead of trying to figure out what this payment is for and who's got the receipt. So I hope you give us a try, and I look forward to hearing from you. Thank you and have an awesome 2025.